Alright guys, check it out. Just got a new GoPro 9 right here. So what you're about to see is me driving in the dark, going to work, and then you're gonna see me driving or riding on the daylight, kind of to show you how it looks and all that. Definitely subscribe. Let me know what you think. Put comments down below. Definitely appreciate that. Hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I post videos as well. It's about 6:20 in the morning, something like that. And obviously I'm going to work, and this is a route that I take all the time, but I want to kind of give you a look how it looks in the dark. I'm recording, I believe, at 2.7, and it's also 60 frames per second, and I think I got it on Y, and I think Y is just, it's pretty much Y enough. Super wide feels like too much for me, but I'm gonna tell you, I'm really not expecting anything super great at nighttime. Let's go, baby. Alright, little city of Benel right here. Small little town. And now you have some lights and things like that. So probably a little bit different than a little bit back there. But again, I'm really not getting this camera for nighttime or anything like that. Although there may be some times in my motovlogging that I'm going to be in the dark. But really not. Usually I'm going to record in the daytime. Man, that gas station chicken, you can smell it from the bike. And this is pretty much it, guys. And here we are, back from work. Man, I really hope this quality is good, because I spent quite some money on this thing. Not only I bought the GoPro, but I also bought a shorty handle. I bought the media mod, which you kind of need to be able to install this microphone, right? Because it has a 3.5 input jack, so I bought that. The other way will be buying that really block kind of thing, I believe. And what else I got? I got a battery pack, or one battery with a charger, so now I got two batteries, so that's pretty cool. So again, I got the GoPro, I got the media mod, I got the battery stuff. I spent about $610, something like that. So the goal is to be able to have something that, or a camera that produces really good video that we could utilize to make videos. Not only I get to entertain you guys, but also I get to record my, I guess, my adventures in a way. You know, that's something different about motovlogging compared to any other channels. Trust me, I've been doing this for a long time. Is that when you do videos about, you know, other topics like I do, you're doing videos about those topics. But when you do videos about motovlogging and like places that you visit, it's cool because you could go back and look at them later on. Like me and Randy have done a couple different places that we have gone, and it's always fun to be able to look at them and be like, oh man, remember when we went there, or remember when we went to that location, or whatever. So hopefully the quality is good. Hopefully the audio, I guess the audio will be coming from a regular microphone, but at least the quality of the video is good. I'm recording in 2.7, I don't know if I say that, and like 60 frames per second or something like that. So let's go ahead and ride out, and let's just see how this works out. This is the spot, guys. If you remember one of my videos, the bike broke down and I had to leave the bike parked right there, right here in the corner. It was kind of embarrassing right there. Well, not embarrassing, it is what it is. Motorcycles break. But I did change the battery standing right there on that right spot. Big shout out to my wife. She came by with the truck to help me pick up a tire, not a tire, battery. There we go. And so far the battery has done just amazing. I just wonder if, first of all, if you guys got any tips on how to actually maintain a battery, that would be really, really cool, because I really don't know. I wonder what is the proper way, I guess, in a way. What's going on here? Island Festival. Alright, so I guess there got to be a way when to charge it and all that. Any specs or anything like that would be kind of cool to know. And also, I need tires. So I'm looking for some white wall tires. Any advice on white wall tires will be highly appreciated as well. Definitely appreciate that. Man, this town is going from a retired town to like a really busy town. I don't like it. I know some of you guys deal with traffic every day, but really not us. So anyways, guys, let us know, or let me know, how is the quality so far? I really want to know. What do you guys think about the quality? Actually, the picture of this video, is it good? Is it not? If you're looking to buy a GoPro 9 to start motovlogging or whatever, you know, here's pretty much how it looks. This is what you can expect recording at 2.7K. This is kind of what you get out of it. I have done over 100 videos already with the GoPro Hero 4. Really didn't have to upgrade at all. To tell you the truth, guys, I really didn't have to upgrade. No one have ever complained about the quality of the videos, which is actually a great thing, right? So no one has ever complained, which is, you know, you guys know on YouTube, everybody complains about something. I mean, I don't get crazy amount of views in this channel, but again, no one has ever complained. So anyways, I appreciate the support. Thank you so much for watching. And as always, God is in control.